What is fascinating me about my research field is really, the possibility to use my own passion, my own interest into a field where I feel that I can make an impact. I grew up on a farm in the very northern part of Jutland, where my parents had a farm where they were growing different types of crops. I remember even back from that time how fascinating it was to see how a little seed could either turn into a small salad or it could turn into a huge tree. So that was extremely fascinating, the whole synergy between plant and soil and agriculture. And already at that time I could see this is really something interesting that could lead to something interesting for me long term. One of the reasons why I wanted to go into plant science and crop development, I think that goes back to my young days on the farm, because my father was also growing a lot of malting barley. He went to one of the local laboratories and had his barley checked, and I thought, that's really interesting. Why is that so important with all these different things? Then I started to read about it, and then it was a whole world that opened up to me about barley, about malts, and about beer production, where quality and plant quality especially is of key importance. And I think that really gave me the lead to why I wanted to go into plants and especially barley for my future. Having all these ideas on how we can continue to develop crops, better crops, more sustainable crops, crops that's more effective and giving people a better life, is something that's really fascinating me. We have used barley very much as a model organism, and that is a very fascinating crop. But being able to really understand that crop to a great level of detail by having the barley genome sequence, by understanding the genetics, the biochemistry, and all these fundamental processes in a plant, this is really driving my motivation every single day when I go to work. So my old boss or professor in the Carlsberg laboratory, Dieter von Wettstein, and I would say he was one of the first real pioneers in plant biotechnology. And he gave me the good advice at that time when I was a young PhD student. Follow your gut feeling. Make sure that you follow also the passion for what you think is really interesting, but make also a different angle to your scientific work. Do not go out and copy what others have been doing already, because that way you will be able to have an impact on the future.